Today's show is sponsored by Wendy's, located at 750 North Gospel Street, Paoli, Indiana. For more information, their number is 812-723-5904.
Good morning, I'm Allie, and this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, January 31st. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paoli.media@paoli.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in the drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Where Wednesday. We will show you a picture of somewhere in the school, and you have to tell us where it is. Here's the picture. Drama Club members who plan to participate in the Murder Mystery Dinner on February 17th should come to a homeroom meeting today. We also plan on meeting during homeroom February 7th and 14th, as well as after school on February 2nd, 8th, and 15th. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Any high school student who is interested in participating in the Academic Super Bowl should plan to attend a meeting in Mr. Lindley's homeroom today during homeroom. If you are interested and unable to attend, please see Mr. Lindley in room 131. This year's theme is World War I. And now to Joni with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Allie. In action last night, the girls' varsity basketball team faced off against Henryville in the first round of sectional. They won by a score of 45-29. They will be advancing to the second round on Friday night where they will play Austin. Back to you, Allie.
Just a reminder that your books are still for sale. Anyone interested in purchasing a book can still do so, but the cost is now $40. Please reserve your book today. And now to Colin with your weather report.
Thank you, Allie. As you can see here, we have a 0% chance of rain for today. And today's high is a 52 and a low of a 39. Thursday's high of a 43 and a low of 13. And Friday's high of a 28 and a low of 18. Back to you, Allie.
Today's answer was the studio. Congrats to Mitchell Radcliffe. Your name will be put in the drawing for a prize. Tune in tomorrow for another contest. I'm Allie, and that's your PHS News Today. Have an Allie amazing day.